Right, so we are going to repair this massive hole. It's a totally rusted sheet. However, we've done rust coat, which looks like that. Right? Rust coat. So we've now stopped the rust from progressing. We're now going to fix this hole. We're going to use water coat as our binder, and then you'll see later on we're going to use mortar coat with some steel reinforcing to actually repair and make this roof last another 20 years. And then we're going to embed this very, very strong bitumen into and over this hole, but you'll be amazed at how it ends up.